bạn mới vừa check in vô phòng.
Yes. I will give you a room tour now. That is the hallway that we walked down. And then our room is at the very end, 802. We walk in and there's another door. There is a little mini bar right here. Cute. Mirror. Cute. And then we walk into the living room where we are greeted with these little cute snacks.
So cute.
Champagne.
Oh, I love that opening. But it's rain today, so we cannot go out.
Yeah.
It's nice.
This is our view.
Oh my gosh,
the balcony.
It's huge. Big.
It's a very big balcony. We're at the very front of the ship. This is our room.
Bathroom. This is
Beds.
our home for 7 days. I love sitting here and watching that.
Bathtub. Shower. Ooh, it's a big shower. Remember last time, man, we had like a little
I
cubicle.
love this brand. They really. Oh wow, nice.
Oh, I forgot to show the closet. Silly me. Silly. Oh, slippers, of course. I love slippers.
Go
Robe.
down and have champagne bar.
Of course. Basic. Very nice. Okay. A whole mini walk-in closet. How do you feel? How do you feel? Oh, it's kind of dark.
Freaking tired as shit. Tomorrow we're gonna hang out and enjoy French food.
We will start at 5:30. You will stay here.
Oh no! Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh yes. I will tell you.
Oh, I didn't know that.
What's up?
Where are we?
Franks. I don't know how to say the name of the island, but it's so beautiful, guys.
Actually, as you can see, we're here at Corsica, France. Corsica, France, you know, it's our kind of like a plan B. I can't complain, right?
Yeah.
To make it to Monte Carlo, but everyone's together. That's the most important thing.
Anyone who doesn't have this. We are at Thai on the bus for a tour. It's called Hop On and Hop Off for the whole day, 9 hours. Yeah. First stop at the restaurant place. Shoulder line.
You will not believe where I am. The friggin' Coliseum. Seeing it in person is so surreal.
Sup, Bong?
What's up, Giovanni?
Hey, what? Interview again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Look at this guy. You know where he is? Hey, this is the dream come true. Hard work pay off.
Yes.
Keep working hard and then never give up.
cái này chỗ nào ta? Ý. Ở Ý đúng rồi, mỗi thành phố như là messina. Mình đang đi cái tour ở trận cái gọi là theater, cái chỗ này là rất là lên, có rất là nhiều cái shop, rất là nhiều quần áo đẹp luôn.
Nhưng mà cái tour guide không chọn tôi.
Anh nằm bịch tour guide ở chỗ đẹp quá luôn.
Update, the ladies have strayed away from the tour and they are now going shopping.